Looking for a PC case that delivers outstanding airflow without sacrificing style? The Phanteks Eclipse P400A might be exactly what you need. With its full metal mesh front panel, this case breathes performance, keeping your components cool even during intense gaming sessions. Plus, its ultra-fine performance mesh blocks dust effectively, so your system stays clean longer, no more worrying about dust buildup slowing you down. What really sets the P400A apart is the integrated digital RGB fan controller paired with 3 pre-installed digital RGB fans. Right out of the box, you can customize your lighting with a simple button press, creating a vibrant color theme that matches your setup. The fans are designed for high airflow with low noise, so your rig runs cool and quiet. And if you want to expand your lighting, the controller supports additional digital RGB products and syncs seamlessly with compatible motherboards for a unified look. Beyond aesthetics, the P400A offers practical features that make building and upgrading a breeze. It supports a wide range of motherboard sizes, from mini-ITX up to E-ATX, up to 272mm wide if you swap out the optional HDD trays. Need space for a large GPU? It accommodates graphics cards up to 420mm long. CPU coolers up to 160mm tall fit comfortably, and there's plenty of room for cable management with 25mm of clearance. Plus, you can install up to 6 HDDs, and it supports multiple radiator sizes for liquid cooling, including a front 360mm radiator option for serious thermal performance. A satisfied user shared their experience. After upgrading their rig to fit a Gigabyte Aorus 3070 RTX with liquid cooling, they fell in love with the P400A. Syncing the RGB lighting was simple, and the customization options felt endless. They rated it a solid 10 out of 10, praising the case for fitting their needs perfectly and enhancing their build's aesthetics and cooling efficiency. If you're ready to upgrade your PC case to something that balances airflow, dust protection, and stunning RGB customization, the Phanteks Eclipse P400A is worth a look. It's compact yet capable, designed to house powerful systems without compromise. Try it when you're ready to take your gaming setup to the next level.